In this AlignMix video, you will learn how you can filter account data by account segment type. And you can do that by using the Lasso tool and make sure your alignment scope is set correctly. If you only want to lasso accounts and not any zip codes, make sure to change your alignment scope to only accounts. So now let's zoom into the Dallas area, and we're going to lasso a section here. And you can see since we changed the alignment scope to only accounts, it is not lassoing any zip codes. It's only lassoing accounts. So now when I let go, we'll get a summary just showing all the account information that I've lassoed. And you can see here, no zip codes have been lassoed. Now to filter this data, we click here on the Filter tab. And here we have the option of including all the territories that are found in that lassoed section or singling out a single territory. So let's say I didn't mean to lasso Shreveport and Fort Worth. I just wanted to lasso Dallas. And now we can further filter our lassoed area by segment type. Clicking on the second dropdown, let's say I only want to see the C accounts. So now we're filtering by only those territories that are found in 172, the Dallas territory, and only the C accounts. Now we can click here on accounts, and in this summary here, you will see only the account information shown for the C segment. Clicking on summary, it's also showing you only the data sets that are linked to the C account. We can now choose what we want to do with the C segment. So if we click on next, we can create a new territory just from those C accounts found in that one territory. We can add those selected C accounts to a different territory. We can unassign those zip codes and accounts. In this case, it would just be the unassigning of those accounts because the alignment scope only lassoed accounts. We can also delete those accounts or reset any account overrides that are found in that area. So in this case, let's just click here on delete and then next, and those accounts are gone. And there you have it. You've just learned how to filter your account data.